that look like a nosebleed? Slay! I guess Halloween is happening this year. Hey you, it's Katie you, and today I am bringing you 10 last minute but not lame, somehow still decently original and quirky and won't get you these oh my god you're so basic looks, costume ideas that you can 100% guaranteed half-ass from things you already own or your money back. The only props that I had to go out and buy for this y'all were food props. You'll see what I mean, but actual clothing pieces and accessories, I had 100% of these in my closet already. So if you're running on a little bit of a time crunch, I got you. Just keep on watching. Costume number 1, which is what I am personally being, Marie Kondo. I've been wanting to be Marie Kondo for 2 years, so I'm very, very excited that I can make this and put it in a video. Marie Kondo is known for her very clean lines and her conservative silhouettes, and so I feel like if you channel any skirt with a very clean cut, simple top, stack on a couple boxes and heels, you got her vibe down really, really well. I personally used inspiration from her Netflix show cover photo where she's wearing an iconic yellow skirt and a white top. Unfortunately, I do not have a yellow skirt, so I decided to flip the colors. Marie Kondo also has very straight black hair and she also has bangs. I thought my bangs would be short enough that I could style them, but no, bro. You better stop! Listen, don't do what I did. Go get clip-on bangs. Just go around to people asking them all night, does that beer spark joy? Does that candy spark joy? Does it really? Does it really spark joy? Will you accept this rose? The next costume idea is also super, super simple. It's the Bachelorette. All you gotta do is throw on the fanciest dress you own and get a bouquet of roses from your local grocery store, okay? All my friends are absolutely obsessed with the Bachelorette and the Bachelor series. I personally can never get into it, especially in the beginning where they're going on group dates of like 10 people. At that point, that's just networking. That's just literally like a company dinner. Not interested in that. I usually hold off until there's only 3 left and she's deeply, deeply in love with all of them, and that's where the steamy drama comes in.
I'm telling you right now, I'm not going anywhere. Bruh. Until I get a chance to share with you. Dude, you the out.
So that's when I start tuning in. Can you guess what this one is?
Wait.
Peep the Duncan. Still can't figure it out? All right. Whoa. Huh? Huh? Still can't figure it out? Okay. Worst ring light setup ever. Renegade. Am Charlie D'Amelio. I love this costume because it is so comfy. Leggings and a crop top and a cup of coffee. This is the uniform for countless American teens across the country, so you don't even have to try that hard. I feel like what really needs to sell it though is your behavior throughout the night, okay? You cannot stop woeing, you cannot stop whipping, you cannot stop doing the renegade at any point in time. She puts her hair in like messy buns a lot because she's just so quirky and she's just so normal. She's a normal teen. I don't like coffee. Let's see if I can pull off Charlie D'Amelio's like, ah! I can't do that. Ah! Okay. Charlie, watch out. Guys, this may be my favorite. Look, I'm Boba. Oh. I can't stop smiling. My cheekbones are literally frozen. If you were prepared, unlike me, you would have secured a headband to glue this to so you don't have to hold it here. Just imagine that this is just magically balancing on my head like this. Literally the only ingredients you need for this boba tea is a white dress of some sort, because I feel like that provides the most amount of contrast with the tapioca pearls, the boba, and a toilet paper roll that you can coat in whatever color. If you're actually planning to go out and dance in this, I would recommend that you use safety pins for the pom-poms. I just used tape, and I'm not sure if that was the best idea, but it aesthetically gets the job done. Tapioca pearls, right? So pearl earrings, pearl bracelet. There's symbolism, okay? And for the next costume, we are using the same white dress. So unfortunately, the first step is gonna be to remove all the boba. So sad. The next outfit is 11 from Stranger Things. So we threw on the highest top socks I own. Hers go higher, so if you can go higher, go higher. And white sneakers. She sports a navy type jacket over her super baby doll pinkish dress. 11 has this superpower, but when she uses the superpower, her nose bleeds. So we need some fake blood in here stat. Okay, we are gonna try to make fake blood nosebleed with these two products. I'm a little scared. Does that look like a nosebleed to you? Sure. And the last thing is 11 is obsessed with EGGOS. It is the only thing that disarms her, so you know I had to cop them from the grocery store. And that is the literal entire outfit. You just have to go around like this. Super simple, easy, culturally relevant. Everybody will know who you are. Perfect! I'm realizing I put these numbers on backwards. Bruh. And I'm just gonna ask you to ignore it. Bruh. If you have watched the show, you might be able to guess who I am from the number. It's Kang Se-byuk. She is a North Korean defector slash escapee, and she's trying to freaking reunite her family. Like, that's all she is trying to do.
Can I live? Can I live? Can I live? Why y'all wanna with me? Why? Why y'all so mad at me? What have I done to anybody but to get money?
I think this is another very, very timely Halloween costume of it's gonna be super hot this year and it's super easy to do. So you might as well wrangle up a few of your friends and become the Squid Game squad. You just need any type of monochromatic tracksuit, preferably either like a cooler green or teal or blue, or if you wanna be the guards, you can go for bright pink as well. And to feign the uniform numbers, I literally just cut it out. So yeah, I'm really, really freaking proud of this costume. It's so low effort, but I feel like nobody, absolutely nobody will not know who you are. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? It's the Walmart version of Jess. Guys, I tried. I really tried. But you can try harder, okay? Be better than me. Bruh. I am Jess from New Girl. Jess is probably one of the most simple but quintessential costume outfit ideas I feel like you can do. She's very often seen in red, and so I threw on the closest thing I had to that, which is an A-line silhouette of a red dress. And in the intro, they hold like a regal, very, very fancy picture frame, and I obviously outdid them. I literally made this in real time. If I had done things properly, like a proper YouTuber, I would have prepped this like yesterday. This is so... I'm really embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Can you guess? Kermit the mother freaking frog. And guys, this is so on brand because Kermit has been a foundational building block of my channel since day one. He is an icon. Kermit is pretty simple. You just need a Lipton tea bag and an all green monochromatic fit. Ding, 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 ding. I hereby raise a toast to our king. I accidentally left my Kermit at home, so I'm really sorry that he couldn't be present with us here today for this toast and this award, but he has truly changed my entire life. He has changed the cultural fabric of this country, and today we honor him by dressing up like him. All right, the next costume we have is Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale. Unfortunately, I am not a ginger. Unfortunately, I was not able to secure red hair coloring before this video, but this video is going up like 10 days before Halloween, so maybe 10 days is enough for you to dye your hair red. I don't know. Because Cheryl is a ginger, she channels a lot of red tones throughout all her outfits, and one of her most iconic outfit combos is that red coat. And all you gotta do is act super aloof and go like that the whole night, and I think it's pretty believable. Honestly, I have very, very low expectations, and I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. I am a Pantone paint square. Everybody knows those Pantone paint squares that are super, super aesthetic. I used to collect them as bookmarks every time I went to like a Home Depot. We are honoring those paint squares today by dressing up as one. You honestly just need a fully monochromatic outfit where all the tones match pretty well, and then DIY or print the Pantone logo. And if you are going trick-or-treating, honey, I came prepared. Even my bag is a matching blue. And now that I think of it, this could be a really good group costume because it's so easy to coordinate. You guys don't even need to buy anything. Match whatever's in your closet to whatever's in your closet. Big brain, am I right, ladies and gentlemen? This is probably the most basic outfit of them all, but I feel like it's just so quintessential and simple, and so many of us have the ingredients that I gotta include it in case you forgot about the cultural icon that is Tinkerbell. And for once, my puffy microphone actually comes in handy because Tinkerbell did have a wand. For Tinkerbell, you pretty much only need a green dress, your hair in a bun, and preferably white dainty heels, but your girl doesn't have that, so we throw on espadrilles. And so who knows? She might also be a candidate for 2021 Halloween weekend. Hopefully today's video was helpful and you walked away with your 2021 Halloween costume idea. If you guys end up being any of the costumes that I proposed in this video, please DM me on Instagram. I would really, really like to see your renditions of it. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Happy Halloween. Happy trick-or-treating. Stay safe. Go out there and enjoy Halloween, as Dr. Fauci says.
I'm feeling good, feeling great. About to go to church like Mace. From the hood, I escape. From the hood, I escape.
Short dress. Fuck, I forgot to close the window. Next up, we have the... Stop crinkling, please. No! Man down.